Hey, good afternoon, Trojans. We have a nice problem here to solve today. It says 3 is what percent of 8? What I'd like you to do is to turn off your video and show me how you'd set up this problem using a particular math operation. Then turn your video back on and I'll walk you through the steps. There are a couple different ways to do this problem. Just to translate it, it would say 3 equals n percent, and it's a little difficult to draw using this tool, but I'll do the best that I can. 3 is n percent, of is times, 8. The opposite of times is divide. So to solve this problem, you are going to divide. So you might have it looking like this: 3 fraction bar 8, which is 3 divided by 8. Go ahead and pause your video and set up your division problem and solve your division problem, and then turn your video back on and I'll walk you through the final steps. Alright, so I'm drawing my house of division. Here it is. Nice drawing there, and I'm putting 3 inside of it, and I'm also going to add a decimal point right away and a 0 right away, and I might as well make my bar up on top a little bit bigger. The number that I'm dividing by, my divisor, is 8. Well, I compare 8 to 3, and 3 is smaller than 8, so I need to move over here. I am going to put my decimal up on top. 8 goes into 30. 3 times 4 times 4 times 8 is 32. Too big, so I need to use 3. 3 times 8 is 24, so I'm going to put 24 here. Compare the 4 and the 0. The 4 is too big, so I need to borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. Compare the 8 and the 6. Too small, so I'm going to tack on a 0. 8 goes into 60 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56. So I write 56. Subtract. Got to borrow again, so I cross off that. Make that, bring over 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Compare the 8 and the 4. 4 is too small, so tack on another 0. And now it gets really easy. 8 goes into 40 5 times. I'm going to have you pause your video again, and the reason I'm having you pause your video is I want you to move the decimal to turn this into a percent. So pause the video, turn it back on after you've moved the decimal, and we'll compare answers. Alright, pause. This is really easy now. I think to turn a decimal into a percent, you take your decimal and you move it one place, 2 places to the right. I rewrite my number as 37.5 and then add the percent sign. So 3 is 37.5% of 8. Watch this video again as many times as you need to figure out how to find what percent one number is of another number.